Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then my name is Aisha. Welcome. So today I'm going to be doing the random numbers picks my eyeshadow challenge, and I have actually done this challenge before a while back on my channel and I had so much fun, so I thought I would do it again today with a different palette. And I have made this very difficult for myself because I have chosen the Morphe 35B palette, which is the most colourful palette I own. One of the most colourful palettes I own anyway. And as you can see here, there aren't many neutral shades, so there aren't many shades to choose from in terms of transition colours, deepening up the outer corner, things like that. We have got a black and some navy blues, but apart from that, I think this is going to be a struggle. So I've got the random number generator up on my phone. I have numbered 1 to 35 because obviously there are 35 shades in this palette, and I'm going to number each eyeshadow. This one is going to be number 1 and this one is going to be number 35, and we're going to go across like this. So basically each number is going to correspond to an eyeshadow, and Google is going to choose how my eyeshadow is going to come out today, and let's hope that Google is going to be nice to me. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get straight on into the video. Before I begin, as always, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This one is in the shade Fair Beige. I use this in every single video, so you guys know the drill by now probably. Okay, I'm nervous. Let's see what Google's gonna give me as my first shade. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, generate. Oh, we have number 1. Okay, I guess we're not off to a bad start because number 1 is this white shade here, and I'm gonna use that to set down the concealer. And I'm just using a flat brush to place this all over the lid. This is gonna make a nice base for all the other eyeshadows that we're gonna put on top of it. Okay, shade number 2, generate. We have number 12. Oh wow, guys, shade number 12 is this bright green shade here, and it's probably my least favorite shade in this whole palette. I was really hoping that this was not going to go on that green side, on the green route, on the green road, you know, but apparently that is where we're going today. So I think I'm going to place this into the crease. This could be the wrong decision because I don't know what other colors we're going to be using, but I'm already stressed and this is only the second shade. Apparently this is going to be my transition color today, and I've got a lot of fallout over there in the inner corner, so that's also great. I do love this palette, but the greens and the blues are quite hard to work with. Wow, this is a complete mess already. Please send help. Next, for sure, we're gonna get a pink. I know it, I can feel it in my bones. I've placed that down, and now I'm just going in with a clean fluffy brush to try and blend out the edges and make it look a little bit softer. I think I'm ready for the next shade, so Google, please be nice to me. 14. We have a blue. I mean, a little bit better than a pink, I guess. But still, I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm stressing myself out already. I feel like it might be a good idea to cut the crease and put the blue under the green and maybe try and blend it into the green to create a kind of gradient. So I'm just going to cut under that crease. Nothing too fancy, we've just got a rough guideline going on, and I'm gonna take a flat brush and we're going in with the blue underneath the green. Oh, that looks nice though. That's showing up pretty pigmented. The concealer really does help. I'm telling you, you need to put a base down before you use these kinds of shades. As you can see, I'm placing it down very roughly under the green, because I think I'm gonna cut the crease again. This is going to take a lot of work and a lot of cleaning up. I mean, I guess that doesn't look too bad, but you can hardly see the green at all. It's not pigmented enough. Doing the same thing on the other side, and I cut the crease very badly on this side, so don't expect them to be even. Luckily, this is not a tutorial, so please don't copy what I'm doing. That's as good as we're gonna get it for now. It's time for the next shade. I've had enough already. Right, generate number 24. I feel like I'm a host at bingo or something. Guys, I don't think I could have got a worse shade than this. Like, we have a red. What on earth am I gonna do with that? Why did I decide to do this video? Why did I choose this palette? What is wrong with me? I was thinking about putting it on my lower lash line, but I feel like I'm just gonna look like I've been punched in the face. So I'm taking some micellar water on a cotton bud and I'm just cleaning up the under edge, the underneath of the blue. And I guess we're gonna put the red under the blue. That's what we're gonna do, I've decided. Wow, now I really do look like I've been punched in the eye. This is a hot mess. I feel like I need to give up now, but we're gonna go ahead and keep on going. We've got number 5. Nice, we have a shimmery green shade. Oh, I'm so happy about that. Where the hell are we gonna put this? I have to clean up that red. I've decided that the red is going to be a super thin line that we can hardly see, so it's there. Just know it's there, but it's better if we don't see it, to be honest. So we're going in with the shimmery green, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. This shade is super pretty if it's like applied right and nicely and with shades that actually go with it. And luckily I have hooded eyes, so when I open my eyes you can't really even see the blue and the red, so that's working in my favor today. But yeah, this shimmery green is so beautiful. I wish that this look was doing it justice, but it just it's not. Okay, it's time to move on to the lower lash line. So let's see what we've got to work with. 22. We've got this shimmery gold yellow kind of shade. I think I'm gonna use that to highlight my inner corner. This shade is also really pretty. The shimmers in here are super reflective and super pigmented. I feel like this is just really opening up the eyes. So pretty. I might also put it on my brow bone. I'm quite lucky that I got that, otherwise I would have had to live without a highlight and that would have been really sad. So I think I'm just going to clean up all this fallout I've got under my eyes and then we're going to do the lower lash line. Right, I think that's a little bit better. It kind of saved the situation a little bit. Let's move on to the lower lash line. We have no, you have to be, you've got to be joking me. That's not fair. No. We have this red shade again, but that's not possible. Can you get the same number twice? I'm just literally going to put that on the outer corner. I look sick. Well, I mean, it kind of reminds me of a flag of some sort, like the colors of a flag. I don't know, it looks kind of carnival-ish. I just clicked again, number 30. Number 30 is this one here, and we're going to use that to do the lower lash line. Well, at least it ties in with the red. So I'm putting this on the middle portion of the lower lash line. I can't believe I haven't even got one pink or purple shade yet. And those are my favorite shades in this palette. Okay, next, let's go. Number 11. Okay, well, I spoke too soon. We have a purple shade, which unfortunately now is not really gonna go well with this look, but we're gonna incorporate it, and that's going on the inner third of the lower lash line. And I mean, I think that will do for eyeshadow, to be honest. I think it's time to put the palette away. Morphe 35B, you have not been nice to me today. I'm very disappointed in you. I'm just going to apply a little bit of black gel liner and some mascara. I'm not even going to think about putting on lashes because this look is coming straight off as soon as I finish this video. So I'll be back in 1 second. I know that falsies would really save this look, but I just literally cannot be bothered. So this is the finished look, guys, and it's so pretty, so beautiful, so perfect for every day. You know, I would definitely wear this out shopping, date night. No, I'm joking. It is a complete fail, a complete mess, a complete disaster. I really do not like the color combo, but I had no other choice. So I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. Let's do a close-up. So that purple shade there is so pretty. And the green on the lid, but yeah, disaster is all I can say for now. So as I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was a complete mess. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below, and let me know if there are any other palettes I should do this challenge with, maybe something a bit easier. I wanted to do it with the Tarte palette because I feel like that would be so much easier, and I think I could create a really nice look with that, but I wanted to make it difficult for myself. So yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.